Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Class 5, this is your maths lecture. Today we will solve unit number 1 and the topic is numbers and arithmetic operation. Exercise number 1D and page number 20 and 21. First we will solve question number 3 and question number 3 is select the correct answer from the given options. And the value of part A is 6 plus 9 minus 3 multiplied 2 is equal to option 1 24, option 2 18, option 3 9 and option 4 21. Student, first we will solve the question, then we will find the correct answer, and the value is 6 plus 9 minus 3 multiplied by 2. Yes, student. According to the mass rule, first we will solve multiplication. Six plus 9 minus 3 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2. 3 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. Now the next step is, in this there is two operation, that is addition and subtraction. First we will solve addition, that is 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is equal 15 minus 6. Now we will subtract 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is equal 9. So the answer of part A is 9. That is correct answer. So tick the option number 3, that is 9. Understand, student? Now part B, and the value of part B is 13 plus 12 multiplied by 16 and divided by 4. We have 4 options. First we will solve the question, then we will find the correct option and the correct answer. Okay, according to the mass rule, first we will solve division, and the value is 13 plus 12 multiplied by 16 divided by 4. First we will solve division, that is 16 divided by 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Now we have two operations, addition and multiplication. First we will solve multiplication. 12 multiplied by 4. 12 multiplied 12 1 is 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. 12 4s are 48. And the last operation is addition. Now we will add 48 plus 13. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 carry. 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. And the answer of part B is 61. So tick the correct option, that is option 4. Understand, student? Now part C, and the value of part C is 5 multiplied by 8 divided by 5 multiplied by 8 plus 9 multiplied by 6 is equal to, we have 4 options. First we will solve 5 multiplied by 8 plus 9 multiplied by 6. First we will solve multiplication. 5 multiplied by 8. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 7s are 35. And 5 8s are 40. Plus, now 9 multiplied by 6. 9 1 is 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 9 6 are 54. Now we will add the value, that is 40 plus 54. 54. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. So the answer of part C is 94. Yes student, tick the correct option, that is option 1, and the answer is 94. Understand student? Now part D, and the value of part D is 20 divided by bracket 7 plus 9 minus 6 bracket close multiplied by 2 is equal to, in this part we have 4 options. First we will solve. Then we will find the correct option. 20 divided by 7 plus 9 is equal 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Minus 6 bracket close multiplied by 2. First we will solve the bracket. Now 16 minus 6 is equal 10 multiplied by 2. Now student, in this question, in this stage we have 2 operations, that is division and multiplication. So according to the math rule, first we will solve division. 10 1 is 10. 10 2s are 20 multiplied by 2. Now 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So the answer of part D is 4. So student, tick option number 2, that is 4. Hope you understand. Now part E, and the value of part E is bracket, round bracket 8 multiplied by 42 bracket close minus 28 divided by 7. Student, first we will solve bracket, that is, in first bracket there is multiplication, that is 42 multiplied by 8. 8 1 is 8. 8 2s are 16. 1 carry. 8 1 is 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 42. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33. 336 minus, now 28 divided by 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. Now student, we will subtract. 6 minus 4 is equal 2. 3. So the correct answer is 332. Now student, tick the option number 3, that is 332. Understand student? Now we will solve question number 10. And question number 10 is, simplify these And part A is 5 multiply bracket 8 minus 1 bracket close. First we will write the solution, then we will solve the question. That is 5 multiply 8 minus 1. Student, first we will solve bracket, that is 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is equal 7. Now 7, 5 multiplied by 7. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 7s are 35. So the answer is 35. Now part D, and the value of part D is round bracket 9 multiplied by 10 bracket close divided by 45. Now 9 multiplied by 10. 9 tens are 90 divided by 45. Student, now we will solve 45 divided by 90. 45 1 is 45. 45 multiplied by 2. First we will check. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So 45 multiplied by 2 is equal 90. And the remainder is 0. So student, the answer of part D is 2. Understand, student? I hope you understand the lecture. If you have any problem in any question, student, you can ask me in question answer session. Now note down your home task. Your home task is practice question number 3 and question number 10. Solve all parts of question number 10 on your register, page number 20 and 21 of exercise number 1D. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe.